When we think of Antarctica, we imagine a frozen, lifeless desert. But what if I told you that beneath its icy surface, there's a hidden world teeming with mystery? Scientists have discovered something astonishing in Antarctica's icy depths. Something that challenges everything we thought we knew about life in extreme environments. Explorers have found signs of mysterious life forms thriving in subglacial lakes, buried under miles of ice. These lakes, cut off from the outside world for millions of years, might hold secrets about life not just on Earth, but possibly beyond. The journey to uncover these secrets hasn't been easy. Antarctica is one of the most hostile places on the planet, with temperatures plummeting to 100-degree defines and winds that can rip through at over 100 millimeters. Just getting there is a challenge. Explorers have to brave treacherous ice fields, unpredictable weather, and the constant threat of equipment failure. And once they arrive, the real work begins. Drilling through miles of ice to reach these hidden lakes is no small feat. It requires precision, patience, and cutting-edge technology. One wrong move, and the entire mission could be jeopardized. But the effort is worth it. What scientists have found is nothing short of extraordinary. In Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes, researchers discovered bacteria that have been isolated from the rest of the world for over 15 million years. These microbes survive in complete darkness, under immense pressure, and without any connection to the surface. How do they do it? They've adapted to live off minerals and organic matter trapped in the ice, creating a unique ecosystem that defies our understanding of life. Even more intriguing is the possibility that these life forms could give us clues about extraterrestrial life. Places like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, are believed to have icy shells covering vast oceans. If life can thrive in Antarctica's subglacial lakes, could it also exist in these distant worlds? Scientists think it's possible. The discovery of life in such extreme conditions on Earth opens up exciting possibilities for finding life elsewhere in the solar system. But the mysteries don't end there. Some researchers believe there could be even larger, more complex organisms lurking in these icy depths. Imagine giant, unknown creatures adapted to the cold and darkness, living in a world untouched by time. While this might sound like science fiction, the truth is, we've barely scratched the surface of what lies beneath Antarctica's ice. Every new discovery raises more questions than answers, keeping scientists on the edge of their seats. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Some skeptics argue that the signals detected by radar could be misinterpreted. What looks like liquid water might just be layers of rock or sediment. And while the bacteria found in Lake Vostok are fascinating, they're still just microbes. The idea of larger, more complex life forms remains speculative. But that's the beauty of exploration. It's about pushing boundaries and challenging assumptions. As we continue to explore Antarctica's icy depths, one thing is clear. This frozen continent holds secrets that could change our understanding of life itself. Whether it's microbes surviving in isolation or the tantalizing possibility of larger organisms, Antarctica reminds us that there's still so much we don't know about our own planet and the universe beyond. So, the next time you look at a map and see that vast white expanse at the bottom of the world, remember, beneath the ice lies a world of mystery, waiting to be uncovered. If you're as fascinated by these discoveries as we are, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you want to dive deeper into the unknown, check out these other videos that explore the wonders of our world and beyond. Stay curious and keep exploring the bright side of science. Antarctica has always been a place of mystery. For centuries, it was just a blank spot on the map, a place of legend and speculation. Early explorers like James Cook and Ernest Shackleton braved unimaginable hardships to chart its icy coasts. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we began to understand the true nature of this frozen continent. The discovery of subglacial lakes came as a shock to scientists. How could liquid water exist beneath miles of ice? The answer lies in the unique geology of Antarctica. The immense pressure from the ice above, combined with heat from the Earth's core, creates pockets of liquid water. These lakes are like time capsules, preserving ancient ecosystems that have been isolated for millions of years. Let's take a closer look at how these lakes form and what makes them so unique. Subglacial lakes are bodies of water that sit beneath glaciers or ice sheets. They're kept liquid by geothermal heat and the pressure of the ice above. Lake Vostok, for example, is the largest known subglacial lake, buried under 2.5 miles of ice. It's about the size of Lake Ontario and has been isolated for at least 15 million years. Scientists believe it could contain life forms that have evolved in complete isolation, offering a glimpse into how life might survive in other extreme environments, like the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Exploring these lakes is no easy task. Drilling through miles of ice requires specialized equipment and careful planning to avoid contaminating the pristine environment. One of the biggest challenges is maintaining the integrity of the samples. Any contamination from the surface could ruin years of research. To solve this, scientists have developed sterile drilling techniques, using hot water or specialized drills to carefully penetrate the ice without introducing foreign microbes. Even with these precautions, the process is incredibly difficult and time-consuming. But the potential rewards, discovering new forms of life and unlocking the secrets of our planet's past, make it worth the effort. When scientists first drilled into Lake Vostok in 2012, they weren't sure what to expect. What they found was astonishing. Evidence of microbial life that had been isolated for millions of years. These microbes survive in complete darkness, using chemical reactions to generate energy. Some researchers believe they could be similar to the first life forms that emerged on Earth billions of years ago. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of life's origins and its potential to exist in other extreme environments. While microbes are fascinating, some scientists believe there could be larger, more complex organisms living in these subglacial lakes. Imagine giant, unknown creatures adapted to the cold and darkness, living in a world untouched by time. While this might sound like science fiction, it's not entirely out of the question. In the deep oceans of Earth, we've discovered creatures like giant tube worms and colossal squid that thrive in extreme conditions. Could similar organisms exist in Antarctica's icy depths? The possibility is tantalizing, but proving it will require more advanced technology and exploration. One of the most exciting aspects of this research is its connection to the search for extraterrestrial life. Places like Europa and Enceladus are believed to have icy shells covering vast oceans. If life can thrive in Antarctica's subglacial lakes, could it also exist in these distant worlds? Scientists think it's possible. The discovery of life in such extreme conditions on Earth opens up exciting possibilities for finding life elsewhere in the solar system. Missions like NASA's Europa Clipper, set to launch in the coming years, aim to explore these icy moons and search for signs of life. As technology advances, so does our ability to explore Antarctica's icy depths. New drilling techniques, robotic, submarines, and advanced sensors are making it easier to study these hidden ecosystems. In the future, we might even send autonomous robots to explore these lakes, collecting samples and sending data back to the surface. The ultimate goal is to understand how life can survive in such extreme conditions and what that means for the possibility of life beyond Earth. As we explore these pristine environments, we must also consider the ethical implications. Introducing foreign microbes or disturbing these ecosystems could have unintended consequences. Scientists are working hard to develop protocols that minimize the impact of their research, but it's a delicate balance. How do we explore and learn without destroying the very things we're trying to study? It's a question that will become increasingly important as we push the boundaries of exploration. Antarctica's icy depths are a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet. Every new discovery raises more questions than answers, keeping scientists on the edge of their seats. Whether it's microbes surviving in isolation or the tantalizing possibility of larger organisms, Antarctica holds secrets that could change our understanding of life itself. So, the next time you look at a map and see that vast white expanse at the bottom of the world, remember, beneath the ice lies a world of mystery, waiting to be uncovered. If you're as fascinated by these discoveries as we are, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you want to dive deeper into the unknown, check out these other videos that explore the wonders of our world and beyond. Stay curious and keep exploring the bright side of science.